My hair is currently on my waist and I want to grow it to my hips length, and that means I have to grow and retain up to 4 to 5 inches of hair before December 2026. This channel was built to show you all how to grow your hair like Flash, exactly the same way I did mine, and most importantly how to retain length, because it's one thing to grow your hair, but are you retaining length? Enough of the rambling. I'm here to share with you all that black hair can actually grow long, thick and healthy if you follow the right steps and techniques. So subscribe if you're new, and of course share to your loved ones. I'm Brenda Okolocha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, the hair grew, right? The hair grew, but the issue here is taking down the hairstyle so that we will not experience hair breakage. So the first step is to spray water all over your hair, especially the ends. Of course, you need a spray bottle. This technique applies to all hairstyles, no matter the hairstyle you are carrying. As long as you want to take it down, please make sure to hydrate first. This will help me take down my hairstyle without it breaking. Okay, you can either use this or a detangling cream. So I'll put a generous amount of this on my hair. You start unraveling. You can see I'm unraveling it. No hair is breaking. No hair is breaking. Okay, if you notice the hair is dry around any area, you put more conditioner. So I noticed it's still kind of dry around here. And that is it. I've taken down this part of my hair successfully without any hair breakage. So after taking down my hairstyle successfully without any hair breakage, next is pre-poo / hot oil treatment. That is, I'm going to be prepping my hair before using shampoo on it, and hot oil treatment helps to strengthen my hair, improve my hair follicles and hair strands for better hair growth, and to reduce or minimize hair breakage. For the pre-poo treatment, I'm using flaxseed gel. I showed how I made this in my previous video and stored the remaining one in the freezer. So if you want to check out to make yours, please click the link in the description box below. Okay, so I'm applying the flaxseed gel all over my scalp, all over my hair, and also make sure to massage for proper penetration. If you want your hair to grow beautifully, one of the natural ingredients you have to invest in is flaxseed. I'm not even kidding. Ever since I added flaxseed to my hair care routine, is one of the products that are really taking my hair to another level. It's not only going to help you grow your hair, it also helps you to retain a lot of length. It will reduce hair breakage drastically, improve your curls, strengthen your hair. It's also a natural humectant, in case you don't know, which means it's a conditioner and it brings moisture to your hair. In case you're new here, we handle our hair in sections, and that's why I divided my hair into 6 to 8 sections, because it will literally ease the process of application, it will ease the process of product distribution, it will ease the process of detangling. So if you have not been handling your hair in section, what are you even doing? So I'm going to carry this pre-poo / hot oil treatment for just 20 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Alright, 20 minutes is over and it's time to rinse off the products off my hair. And just like I stated earlier, we have to use warm water, especially if you have low porosity hair. This will help to open up your hair cuticles in order to receive other hair care products. This will also help in removing product buildup and dirt from my scalp and hair completely. So after this, next is shampoo, and I'll be using my clarifying shampoo that I formulated by myself. If you want to learn how to make shampoo, just drop a comment in the comment section, please. So I'm going to lather this all over my scalp and scrub using my fingertips. Please do not use your nails when it comes to scrubbing your scalp if you don't want to create injury. But if you want to create injury, then you're welcome to using your nails. You can use a scalp massager. It is silicone, it is soft on the scalp, and it will make the entire procedure much easier. So I noticed there was not so much dirt or product buildup on my scalp and hair, so I was only able to use the shampoo just once. So if you have too much dirt or product buildup all over your scalp and hair, then you may have to use the shampoo 2 times, and make sure to rinse off using warm water. And please, as long as your hair is long enough, it should be handled in section even when washing. All right, it's time to apply the protein deep conditioning hair mask. Sometimes if you notice your hair is weak or your hair is breaking too much, especially from the ends of your hair or even the middle part of your hair, and sometimes if it's breaking from the root of your hair, that means you need a protein treatment hair mask. And there are some days that even without your hair breaking too much, you still need to apply protein deep conditioning hair mask, and that's why you should know your hair porosity. If you are high porosity, you are meant to use the protein treatment hair mask more often compared to someone that has low porosity hair. High porosity hair usually has gaps in the cuticle, so it benefits more from protein treatment hair mask in order to strengthen and rebuild hair structure. So according to studies, high porosity hair is meant to use protein hair mask once in a month, and low porosity hair is meant to use a protein hair mask once in 2 or 3 months. Low porosity hair is already compact, that is, the hair cuticles of low porosity is always closed and is not loose at all. So too much protein can make it stiff, dry, and prone to breakage, you see. So if you're low porosity, you use it once in 2 months or once in 3 months. While for high porosity, because your hair cuticles are always open and easily gets dry, because moisture easily disappears from high porosity hair, you can use protein hair mask once every month. So I'm done applying my protein hair mask all over my hair. Next is to cover up with my shower cap and steaming cap for 15 minutes only. Okay, don't go beyond 15 minutes, please. So I'm going to pour this into my bottle, spray bottle. The nozzle of this spray bottle has poured, and now this one too has stopped working. I hate these spray bottles there. I hate them with passion. See, it has stopped working just like that. So I'm going to just pour it on my scalp and on my hair. Okay, I just pour it all over my scalp, over my hair. The last product I'll be applying is the deep moisturizing hair mask. This one is from Shea Moisture. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a very thick product, so I'll try and see how I can actually manage it because it's almost finished. Luckily for me, the remaining deep moisturizing hair mask was enough, so I only applied this on my hair strands only. If you are to use a protein treatment hair mask, please make sure to balance with a moisturizing treatment hair mask, okay? And to also make sure that your hair structure is intact. So after applying it all over my hair, I wore my shower cap and my steaming cap for 30 minutes. Feels so warm. All right, just like I stated out earlier, I'll be doing the final rinse using cool water. I'm using cool water because I want to lock in moisture, unlike warm water that opens the hair cuticle to receive the products. Okay, so after rinsing this off, I will dry up using microfiber towel. Do not use a regular towel, and that's because it welcomes frizz, friction, which leads to hair breakage, while the microfiber towel is very soft and can easily glance on your hair. You can use a t-shirt in case you don't have a microfiber towel. Okay, it's time for the post-wash care, and that is moisturizing your hair and then you put it into a protective hairstyle. I'm going to moisturize my hair based on my hair porosity, and of course I have an extra spray bottle lying around in the house, so I poured water in here and sprinkled it all over my hair, just a little, but I needed to get it more hydrated. So after sprinkling water on my hair, next is my leave-in conditioner. So a little goes a long way. I'm actually out of my own leave-in conditioner, but this is okay, sha. Then follow up with my hair growth butter to help seal in moisture so that it will not easily escape. Then I used my hair growth oil on my scalp and on my hair. If you have been paying attention, you'll notice that I applied leave-in conditioner and hair growth butter on my hair strands. I didn't apply it on my scalp. Okay, do not apply heavy products on your scalp, and that's because it's going to clog your pores, and clogging your pores is one of the problems that will lead to stunted hair growth. Please avoid doing that. If at all you want to apply products on your scalp, that should be either water, hair growth tea spray, or hair growth oil. But any other thing feels too heavy for the scalp. If you are high porosity and you're following up, you have to use the LOC method, also known as lock method. That is, you start sprinkling your scalp and hair with either water or hair growth tea spray, then you follow up with oil all over your scalp and hair. Next is moisturizing leave-in conditioner on your hair strands only, and hair growth butter on your hair strands only. Like I said earlier, please do not apply heavy products on your scalp in order to avoid product buildup and stunted hair growth. Okay, we are gradually coming to the end of today's video. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. You can as well share this video to your loved ones. I'm pretty sure there are lots of people out there that want to see this video, and of course click the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll be there to respond to any question given. And as for the hairstyle, I made box braid. Box braid is one of the best protective hairstyles for length retention, and I'll advise you give it a try just in case you haven't tried it at all. This is all the hair that came out right from the beginning of this routine till the end of the routine. Take care of your hair, and your hair will thank you a lot. I'll see you all in my next upload. Thank you for watching.